Hello everybody and welcome to your 5th vocabulary lesson of the Greek language. Today we are going to talk about colors. First of all, because I do not know if this is your first time watching a video of mine, I am going to repeat this for every video. In case you haven't figured it out yet, in red is the translation of the word in Greek, and in blue is the part of the word that is emphasized when the word is pronounced. This is why you see a tiny line on top of specific letters. This tiny line is called tonos and is used to show which syllable is emphasized when the word is pronounced. Okay, so now let's continue. The first color for today is white. White in Greek is translated as aspro. Aspro. The next color is black. Black is translated as mavro. Mavro. Next we have red. Red is translated as κόκκινο. Κόκκινο. Pink is translated as rose. Rose. Yellow is translated as κίτρινο. Κίτρινο. Blue is translated as μπλε. Μπλε. Green is translated as πράσινο. Πράσινο. Purple is translated as mauve. Mauve. Orange is translated as πορτοκαλί. Πορτοκαλί. Brown is translated as καφέ. Καφέ. Gray is translated as γκρι. Γκρι. Silver is translated as ασημί. Ασημί. Gold is translated as χρυσαφί. Χρυσαφί. Light blue is translated as θαλασσί. Θαλασσί. I think these are some of the most basic colors and the ones you will probably use most of the time. Along with this course, I thought it would be a good idea to also provide you with some adjectives that are used to describe colors. So for example, we have light, which means ανοιχτός, ανοιχτή, ανοιχτό. Ανοιχτός, ανοιχτή, ανοιχτό. Dark, which means σκοτεινός, σκοτεινή, σκοτεινό. Σκοτεινός, σκοτεινή, σκοτεινό. Now, in case you are wondering why 3 different ways to translate a word, it's because in Greek we have 3 different genders. One for masculine, one for feminine, and one for neutral or neuter. So depending on the gender of the word that the adjective is used upon, you have in the corresponding ending. Let me give you an example to make things more clear. The Greek word for knight, you know, knights of the round table, is υπότης. Υπότης is masculine, ο υπότης. Let's say that this particular knight is Batman, also known as the Dark Knight. Now in Greek, the Dark Knight is translated as ο σκοτεινός υπότης. As we can see, the adjective that we use to describe the word knight is σκοτεινός, and that's because υπότης is masculine. Now if we had a feminine word, then we would use σκοτεινή, and if we had a neutral, it would be σκοτεινός, σκοτεινό. Like in the case of dark room, which in Greek is translated as σκοτεινό δωμάτιο, το σκοτεινό δωμάτιο, since δωμάτιο is neutral, το δωμάτιο. Okay, now let's continue with some other adjectives. Bright, it means φωτεινός, φωτεινή, φωτεινό. Intense, it means έντονος, έντονη, έντονο. And finally, matte. Matte means μουντός, μουντή, μουντό. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe or give me a thumbs up, or even do both of them. And yeah, see you next time.